Today we're gonna check out a brand new chassis from a brand new company called Nimni. I broke my stick. I think this was sent as a Christmas gift. I didn't ask for it. It just showed up. But you know what's cool about this? I said in a video a while back, it was one of those Q&As, and someone asked like, Jay, if you could build in any case, what would it be? And I just happened to mention in passing that one of the cases I never got a chance to even see in person that I really wish I had was the Inwin S-frame. Everyone knows I'm an Inwin fanboy, okay? Terry Crews's build was in an Inwin. I built in the Inwin D-frame 2.0. I built my original Nebula in the Inwin 928. And Black Ice is in an Inwin 925. Okay, do you see a theme there? Well, this just happened to show up a couple days before Christmas. This is an Inwin S-frame. Now, if you wanna know why I'm super excited about this and I feel a great deal of gratitude towards Inwin, this chassis has been sold out for quite a while. It's still on their website, but it says sold out, limited edition, because they only make, so if you don't know how Inwin works, when they make these crazy one-off cases, the 925 you can still buy right now, but the 928 was a limited production run, right? And I got one of them. The Tau 2.0, same thing. I wished I had one for myself. I used it for Terry Crews's build. He's got a chassis that's limited edition. The D-frame that I got, limited edition. So they have their cases that they have all the time, but then they have their custom one-off stuff that it gets very limited run and that's it. So either they had this laying around or they made it for me. Either way, I'm extremely grateful. What I'm not grateful for is the way that FedEx treated it, because I'm a little concerned it might not be in the best of shape. If it's metal on metal, it's scratching itself to hell in there because it's anodized. Which, at this point, I might use this to do my cyberpunk theme build I've been wanting to do for a while, so it wouldn't matter what color it is if I end up painting it. Then if it's scratched, it doesn't really matter. But I figured today we'd take you guys along for the ride on an unboxing. Also, thanks Be Quiet for the knife here, because I wanna know what color it is. I wanna know how it survived. This isn't Inwin's fault, this is FedEx's fault. And let's imagine you spent whatever this case costs, whether it be $1,000 or whatnot. The 928 was $1,000, so there's no reason for me to believe this wouldn't be. The Tau 2.0 was $2,000. So imagine you received this, how bummed you'd be because of the love and care that FedEx gives your products, your purchases. And they used an awful lot of saran wrap on this. It's not the silver and the blue, but that's fine. Ugh. Oh, there was a piece of metal flopping around in there. That's probably what I heard. Ugh. If I do a cyberpunk build, I might just do orange and black theme like this. The front's all brushed. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I don't want to paint this now, that's for sure, because there's a brush finish on here, and on the inside, and if I paint it, we'll lose it because it'll fill in the brush finish with the with paint, and I don't want to do that, or primer for sure. So the way that they make this case, it's literally a single flat piece of aluminum that then they use a press brake or probably a CNC, I'm sure, to bend it into the shape that it is now. So, look at that. I'm so excited. Look at this. So this was loose too. But the nice thing about this finish is the fact that it does come clean. Whoa, geez. So this big piece was working its way out. We got some scratching right there. See, remember that texture I was telling you about that I'm not a fan of? It's on the inside, and I don't like that. But as you can see, it comes clean pretty easily. My only issue with this texture like this is that it gives dust something to grab onto as well. So it's one of those things where I feel like I want to mask the outside and protect this beautiful brushed finish. Because you can see the part that you can see is all brushed and nice and pretty. I wish they'd kind of done that on the inside, on both sides. I would probably, if you want to know the truth, just paint it with the SCM black on the inside. It would definitely bite onto this texture, and then it would give me a nice smooth black on the inside, and then I could maintain the polished, or not the polished, but the brush look on the outside. So if I was gonna be doing a cyberpunk themed build, I truly feel like this would be one of the best starting points right here. I can only fit a 360 rad on the bottom, which I kind of feel like I would find a graphics card that's air-cooled that meets my needs, because this is open chassis technically, so the graphics card would have plenty of airflow. And then put a radiator down here for the CPU, which would be neat. But in terms of the layout, you've got these cutouts right here in the back, right here, because your power supply goes vertical right here. So you can see the cables can come in right there. You can route cables along the back. You've got this big. Do you see the cyberpunk theme? I'm seeing the cyberpunk theme. And you know what sucks about this? Is I already built Black Ice and have that sitting on my desk at home. And if you've never had the problem of trying to figure out where you want to put all your custom high-end builds because you don't have enough places to play at, you don't understand the struggle. That's a joke, obviously. Sort of. I'm shocked that that tray was flopping around and it's not scratched. That the glass survived, it's not scratched. I maintain my distaste for the final finish that Inwin uses on this black texture, which means I'll probably heat this sticker, take it off, disassemble it, take the time to actually edge mask all of the orange, paint it SEM black on everywhere it shows. That's gonna be hard to do in here though. We'll bend it straight. My biggest issue with this, although this one does not collect as much finger dust as like the 928 did. See, I can touch that and actually not leave a skin streak. It's just this texture is perfect for dust to collect, and then it's real hard to get it off. Now, knowing what I know about anodizing and aluminum and stuff, if I actually wanted to, and it would take a while, I could actually take a microfiber and literally sit here over time and smooth this metal back out and get rid of this texture. And if I sat here and did this just for hours, then I would eventually get rid of all that texture. Well, not get rid of it, but I would smooth it out enough to where I could maybe just leave it. All I want is to make sure that dust doesn't have a place to sit here and collect. So there you go. Just a quick, simple unboxing showing you a gift that arrived unannounced from Inwin that I have to say I am quite honestly very fanboy over right now, because I've really wanted this chassis for a long time. I've seen this. I actually had a couple of followers reach out and say, I've got an S-frame that I'm not really using. I have no problems giving it to you. I want to allow subscribers to give me things. So I want you guys to keep your stuff. Don't send it to me. I'm really happy now that I've got this. So there you go. Just a quick unboxing and a first look at things I'm stepping on over there at an upcoming project. That will probably be my first build of the year. Will be a cyberpunk themed build in this. A super clean Corpo type of build, because Corpo was the character that I started the game with. And I'm still playing. I haven't tried another character yet. I don't want to jump around. All right, guys, thanks for watching. And as always, we'll see you in the next one. So we just realized now, after we got done filming that video, we looked at the serial number on this. It's K611-4B03000001. Did they send me the first black and orange S-frame?